Simba, come here. Simba, come here. Come here.
Pick your feet up. Pick your feet up. There you go. There you go.
Come here, Simba. Wanna go outside?
Look at this guy.
Come here. Sit.
Walk it out. Walk it out.
He's getting used to it now.
I know, I think so too. Simba. What are you wearing,
He doesn't like it. Come here, Simba. Come here, Simba. ¿Ya te gusta tus zapatos, Simba?
I think it's easier when he runs. When he runs, it's normal. Come here, Simba. Come here, Simba. The left one is like to the side.
Oh, my Simba. Can you handle it now? You like your little pink shoes?
Where's the shirt? We need to put the shirt on him. Ben, Simba.